Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S9 FE and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down in order to find security and privacy. Now let's scroll down again to find other security settings. And here in this section, the credential storage section, we have to find this clear credentials option. So let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. Not only we've got this information, but this option is inactive, which simply means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.